Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing a real cool video. It's just a real simple glitch video that produces some really cool effects. Here I got a video of me flap my arms, and a car goes by too. Now I'll show you how to make this cool but simple glitch effect in Vegas. This has Vegas Pro only. This will not work in a movie studio. So let's insert another video track. Let's copy this, paste it. Now let's zoom in a bit here so you can see what we're doing. And let's count back 4 frames. So you're going to use this here at the bottom, next frame, or just the arrow on your keyboard. So count back 4 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now move this video forward. Go to compositing mode. Say darken. Now watch what happens. And the car goes by. It's a real cool effect. It's very simple. So just a real quick video tip today on how to make a very simple glitch effect in Vegas Pro. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.